This is the first part of using context to guess meaning. Welcome back to our vocabulary lessons. We have been talking about using context to guess the meaning of new words for the last couple of modules. In this module, we will be adding some new skills, using the topic, keywords, examples, and graphics to help us guess the meaning of new words we meet. Before we move on, let's review some of the techniques we have learned so far. We have learned about affixes, prefixes, suffixes, and roots or stems in Module 1. In Module 2, we learned to find the meanings directly in the text by identifying definitions, acronyms, abbreviations, synonyms, and antonyms. In Module 3, we learned a little more about how words are used by looking at connotations, or the feelings the words give us, and collocations, or the word partners that are commonly used together. Now, let us learn a couple of new things. Sometimes we see a word and we know what it means, but it doesn't make sense in the sentence. This might be because words have different meanings. You need to learn to choose the meaning that is correct in the context. You can do this by looking at the topic and the keywords. They will help you choose the meaning that works best. Let's look at an example from your reading memo article in this module. You will see two new words, unique and template. If you look at the topics, you will see that we are talking about writing memos. Some words that help you guess the meaning of unique are the word but, which means the opposite of, and the word basic, which means your normal or regular everyday thing. So, unique must be the opposite of basic, normal everyday things. It means special to each organization. Template might be another new word. The topic is writing memos, and the word format is a way to write memos. So the meaning of template is the basic format for writing something, in this case, memos. Let's look at this example. Maybe you do not know the meaning of the word remedy. If you read the paragraph, you will see that the topic is about the COVID-19 pandemic. Some keywords that help you are lack of health care and short-term plans. These help you guess that the word remedy means a solution to a problem, a short-term plan to take care of the lack of health care. Here is another example from a graphic. If you look at the word departure, you might think of the meaning to leave or to go away. But that doesn't make sense here. Let's look at the topic. We are talking about weather and average temperatures. We can see the scale at the bottom goes from -5 to +5 degrees Celsius. The keywords average and June tell us that we are looking at temperatures that are different from or away from the average temperature for June. This is the end of part 1. Please continue listening on part 2.